Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. And to start with, what is your name? Hello, Attitude. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm
8 years old. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good to know. And what color do you like? I like orange. Good. And tell teacher Red, what letter is it?
Letter G, sharp,
Very good. What letter is it?
letter
H.
letter A, sharp,
What letter is it?
letter G, I, sharp, E.
Very good. What letter is it?
Letter
J.
J, sharp,
Say J.
J.
The sound of J is J, okay? Okay, what letter is it?
Letter sharp, letter
L.
sharp,
Good job. Now, look and say the word that has sound G. Guitar, very good. And what about J? Jellyfish. Can you tell me what color is it? It's blue. Good. And what about ladder? Good. And igloo. Good job. Now, teacher Red has a big picture. What do you see? I see a gorilla. Do you like gorillas? Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, you don't. And what's this? It's a hat. How many hats are there? Let's count. 1. So how many hats are there? There are 9 hats. Is this a cat? Yes. It's not. So this one, is this a cat? No. So what's this? It's an iguana. Okay. And what do you see? I see. This one? I see a jet. Okay. And what's the beginning sound? What's the beginning sound? J. What's the beginning sound? Letter J sounds J. Okay. And what's this? It's a kite. It's a kite. Good. And what color is it? What color? It's green. It's green. Good. And what do you see? What do you see? I see I see a lemon. And what's the beginning letter? What's the beginning letter? Okay, very good. And that concludes our speaking test, Anna. Goodbye. Goodbye.